Hi, this is Lezlie
and Lexy.
And we're here to introduce Light Elegance Fall and Winter 2025 collection.
Dare to indulge.
Don't we all like to indulge a little bit?
Oh, yes.
We have some colors that you and your clients are going to want to indulge. They're luscious. They're kind of like a chocolate cake or the whipped cream or the cherry topping. They are just warm and delicious.
They are
and rich.
I like to say they're decadent.
They are.
There's just something very high class and high end. This has to be one of my favorite fall collections in a long time.
I think it's one of our best collections.
I am really, really excited about this. There is a color for everybody, and they're each so good. There's not one that I'm on the fence about, which is so exciting.
It is, and you can indulge all you want and feel so rich. But there's no calories in this.
You're not going to gain any weight.
It's going to make you look better. That's what we're all about. And these colors are going to take you through fall and then all the way to your holiday parties. So we thought about all of the season.
Yes.
Fall and winter. And it is decadent.
It is decadent.
Sexy.
And I do have to say, we do have it in the ButterCream Hard Gel. We have it in the P+ Soak Off.
Yes.
And we have our fabulous glitter gels that everybody loves. So,
absolutely.
It's very exciting. There's a formula and a color for everybody. We aim to please.
We do.
And I am going to start with probably my favorite color in the collection. I've actually already worn this one, guilty. It is called Heavenly.
Ooh.
And this is the most luscious oat milk color you will ever witness. This creamy buff has a slight pearl shimmer that is subtle but rich. It's also a great year-round neutral. So I love this color because it's a neutral, so anybody can wear it. It is that oat milk, creamy, kind of off-white, but it has that pearl in it that gives it just a little pizzazz, so it kind of pizzazzes up the neutral.
What I like about it is that it is an oat milk, but it has a little more color to it. So it's a buff with a little bit of muscle. You know, it's going to be wonderful. And like you said, it's a year round.
It's a year round. I think it's going to be one of the most popular.
We're going to see on that one. Anyway, I'm going to talk about Luxurious. This is a deep, dark, blue-black green. Get that? It's a blue-black green, and it is deep jewel tone. It leans a little bit more towards the blue. It's extremely sexy and dramatic. This color is going to take you through fall, and it's going to be so popular, I think, into your winter parties and stuff. And when it says it leans a little more towards the blue, I think on some people you might see a little more green. I think
it leans more towards green. Maybe it's because I love green, so I'm feeling
you want
like
to see the green.
But it's the perfect blue green. But it's for you jewel tone lovers. This is the perfect jewel tone color.
It's dark jewel tone.
It's a dark jewel tone, but people have been asking for this, and I do want to say that we have listened. It's almost in that Cleopatra family, but darker. Yeah. So this is going to be a great one.
Yeah, it is.
And we all know I'll be wearing it.
And you already have? Have you already?
I haven't worn this one.
You haven't cheated on that one,
The next one I have. I'm going to go right in with Drizzle. Drizzle. I have worn this. Absolutely loved it. It is a decadent milk chocolate caramel. If that just doesn't sound delicious, I don't know what does. This caramel color is extra special because it's laced with brown sugar shimmer, which makes for a perfect classy brown. I think that's the best description of all time. It is truly a caramel brown, and it does have that brown sugar shimmer, almost like little tiny pieces of glitter. So it definitely is fun, but it's also a neutral.
Yeah, but it also has richness and darkness to it. So, but that brown sugar is the perfect part of it. It doesn't have too much, but it just sparkles enough. But that brown I don't know, it's luscious.
It is. It does. It's the perfect color. I think
it's a good one.
It's a good one.
I know.
And it's kind of hard to describe. It's a tough one to describe, but as you guys can see, it will be a great fall winter color.
Everybody needs a good brown too.
Yes.
I'm going to talk about Provocative. It's a steamy brown cherry red. This creamy maroon, dark and sultry, will take you through fall and winter. It's going to be a true classic, and I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is going to be the most popular.
Okay.
I think that maroonish wine, the darkness to it, the richness to it, it's just so, it's got dark, but it has a little bit of brightness. And I think that those wine maroon colors just take you all the way. The fall is so wonderful. You're going to want to jump into it. It's going to make you feel warm and cozy.
Yes.
And it's a classic.
Yes.
It's going to be a classic.
It is.
And it's not too brown. It's not too bright red. It sits really pretty.
It
so
does.
it's provocative.
It's the perfect combination of red and brown together.
Sexy.
We don't have a red quite like this, too,
No.
so I think you guys are going to be really happy about it.
Exactly.
I'm going in with temptation.
Ooh.
You will be tempted by this creamy royal purple, a rich purple with just enough brightness to get you noticed. If you're not a purple lover, you will still be tempted by this color. It's so true. I feel like this purple, I feel like it's kind of like Luxurious, where it's in the jewel tone family. It's a dark purple. So that's when we say if you're not a purple lover, I feel like it doesn't scream like I'm purple.
No.
Because it's so dark, it's like a black purple. So it's very wearable, not too cool, not too warm. It's right there in that perfect tone.
Yep.
And it is in the jewel tone family, so it's lovely.
I would call it a perfect winter purple.
Yes.
So, all right, I'm going to go into one that's named after me, Sweetness.
BS!
Oh, that was kind of fun. Anyway, this is a neutral pink carnation. No, by no means is it a bubblegum. No. This pink is a warm, neutral, and I think the perfect description for it is a cozy pink, and it's so full of sweetness. It really is. But I'm going to tell you, this is a must-have, basically because so many clients are going to wear this. It's a neutral. It is that carnation that you can wear in fall, you can wear in winter, but then again, you're going to be able to pull it out of your drawer in spring and summer.
Yep.
It has a lot of color to it, but it's that
But it's
warm
a neutral pink.
It is.
It's a neutral pink.
But it's just that warm, sweet kind of creamy pink. But not too pink.
No.
You could even not really like pinks and like this color.
Yes.
Because it's more
and
of a
that's where that
carnation.
neutral comes in.
Yeah.
Is it's not like pink.
No.
It's beautiful.
Yep.
All right, should we go in with the glitters?
Glitters are fun. Everybody likes
Everybody,
those.
and I love that our glitters and our colors are so complementary together. It's really a nice combination. So
and
there's
everybody needs some sparkle.
Everybody
Especially
needs
in
some
winter.
sparkle. I
Need
know.
to sparkle
We
in
got
winter.
it, and some parties.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's when the parties start winding up.
Exactly. Get the champagne out now.
So I'm going to go in with Irresistible. I think this one's named after me.
I think it is too. We can think what we want.
The perfect, delicate pink glitter. It's sweet, it's light, it's absolutely irresistible, and it is, I would call this a pretty pink diamond glitter. If you guys all know and love diamond glitter gel, this is a light pink version of it. It is absolutely stunning. There's a little bit of pink color to it, but it's mostly just sparkles and has that like silvery white with the pink.
It's sweet. It's soft. It's so wonderful.
It's so pretty.
And once again, this one, you just need it because it'll work well also in spring and summer. But it's going to brighten up your fall.
Yep.
And you can put it over some of your pinks to lighten them up if you want, or just give it a little.
It's going to be great in winter though because it has that icy,
does.
silvery
Yes.
diamonds to it. So it's actually going to be great in winter, I think.
It is. Okay, I'm going to talk about Lavish.
Ooh.
This is a soft, lavish antique gold. This twinkly glitter with silver throughout, gold throughout, but it's light gold, not heavy. It's perfect by itself, or it's going to be perfect over any browns or neutrals. I love this
Yes,
color.
me too.
You guys love, this reminds me of, it's a lot like our diamond, and it has a little bit of that gold, but I kind of caution the word gold because when you think of gold, sometimes you think of heavy. It's an antique gold.
It's light.
It has this lightness to it, but it is so gorgeous. It's kind of a neutral with a lot of pizzazz. I think wearing it by itself is going to be stunning. And of course, then you can put it over, like it said, your browns or your neutrals. So it's going to add a lot. It's going to have a lot of versatility. And I do think it's going to be one of the most popular.
I agree.
It's
Especially in the glitter family.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be one that you're just a go-to
yeah,
reach.
It is. You guys love these kind of colors, so you've got to get it.
I'm going in with Indulgence.
Ooh, I love Indulgence.
Indulge yourself with this rosy brown base and copper glitter laced throughout. A true neutral with some pizzazz. This one is so much fun. This is truly a fall glitter. You have that, let's see, it is that kind of dark caramely brown, but I love this because it has color in the base. It's not just a glitter gel. Right. It has color, so you get that brown, and then the copper glitter in it. It's almost a color glitter hybrid.
Yeah.
Has great coverage. It's decadent, it's rich, and it's luscious.
It's got so many layers to it. It's just deep and rich. It's yummy.
It is yummy.
You were gonna want to lick it.
Yes, I love it. I think it's gonna be one of the more popular ones.
We don't have anything like it either.
No,
Yeah, it's really cool. All right, seductive. We all like to be a little seductive, don't we?
We do.
Especially going to the parties and everything.
And these colors are seductive.
Seductive, yes. So seduce yourself with this sexy red glitter. Get your ruby red slippers on because this glitter will match perfectly. It's an exciting red that sparkles and shine. I love this red because it is a winter red. We need that. You love your reds, but there's a lightness in the glitter that just sparkles.
Oh, yeah.
It gives a twinkle almost. So you've got this rich red, but it dances. It parties on your nail. It will make you so happy, but it does look like Dorothy's slippers. It just sits in a good spot, not too dark, not too light, has a sparkle, but it's definitely a winter red glitter.
Red glitters are hard too, you guys. There's not a lot of variation. It's tough to get a good red glitter.
Yep.
What I would say is different between this and Be Mine is this is finer glitter and it's a little less orange.
Yeah.
So Be Mine does lean towards that like orangey red, but this one has more of like almost like a deeper red tone, but it has that sparkle flash.
It does.
It's actually the perfect Christmas
It goes
red.
on beautifully. Some reds, they're harder to get on.
Yes.
This one just glides on and pops right out.
You'll love it for winter. Yep, so excited. Okay, intoxicating.
Ooh.
God, who named these? Dang,
these are
some two chicks did a really good job naming these colors.
We just got in a bunch of chocolate, a bunch of caramel, and a bunch of just rich desserts.
We were on a sugar high.
We were.
So intoxicating. This is an intoxicating mix of fuchsia, pink, and purple. If you want to feel really good, wear this fun, bright, and feminine glitter. What I love about this color in the collection is we do have a lot of browns and neutrals and kind of those warmer tones. We're going left. The blinker's on, left turn. This is a fuchsia and a purple. There's a little bit of brightness to this. It's very feminine and girly because it's pink and purple. So even in the blue lover family, this is gonna be your color. That fuchsia flashes off the nail, but I love this because it is more feminine compared to some of the other colors.
I like it too because it is the purple and the pink are winter and fall purple pinks.
Yeah.
So it's gonna brighten up your day. It's gonna be really pretty, but yet you're gonna fall in. It's gonna match with the stuff that you're wearing. It's got so much purple and pink to it, but it's a little bit darker.
It is. It's a little deeper.
It's a little deeper, but yet
it dances.
But it dances. It's still bright, but it definitely has some oomph to it.
It does.
I love it. I just absolutely.
All these colors.
I think it'd be beautiful on your toes.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to end this whole thing. Well, no, we have one more after this, I think.
Do we?
This one's...
Sinful. We can't forget one of the best for last, man.
I know. This Simply Hot blend of blue and green. This glitter has a beautiful iridescent glow, which is rich and captivating. This is going to give you... This is a greenish blue. I would say leans a little bit towards the green. It's almost like a mermaid type green, but it is... rich, but yet it has some brightness to it, but it doesn't scream like Kelly green or anything like that. It has a little bit of that blue with it, so which I think makes it more of a fall winter. I think this color would be beautiful even if you had like a black dress on, you were going to a party or at the office with some black outfit, and boy, would this pop with that. There's so many things you can wear this with. Don't be afraid of it. Dive into this.
Yep.
It's going to really put a skip in your step, and you'll have a little bit of a smirk on your face because you're going to be a tad bit sinful with it.
I am going to be wearing this 100%.
Of course.
I call this a jewel tone mermaid glitter.
Yep.
So
exactly.
This is going to be perfect for fall and winter.
Yes.
But we are just super excited about this collection.
We are. It is so rich and
tickled
luscious.
by it.
Yeah.
I think we did a really good job. I haven't been this excited about a collection in a long time. Every color's good. Every color serves a purpose through fall and winter. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. Like I said, we do have all the formulations for you, whether you like soak off or hard gel. Pick up a cake while you eat it.
Oh yeah, I mean, just enjoy it, and it is sexy and luxurious, and just bathe in it. I mean, express yourself through it. But it's warm, it's cozy and bright for fall and winter. We're all ready for a change after the summer, getting into those colors. But enjoy it, and don't forget, what's inside matters. Everything is made here in the United States.
Yes.
And it is safe and it goes on wonderfully. You have the glitters, you have the hard gels, you have the soak off, the P+ line. We have everything for you guys. So anyway,
this fall and winter, indulge in this collection.
Do indulge. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.